Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project videos. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project Smart Musical Bell that identifies the person, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. You will get to see the project working in action. Seeing that this project works would give you the confidence to invest your time and energy in developing it. Let me explain key parts of the project that you will learn more about while working on it. The Smart Musical Bell is being demonstrated here. This bell can ring both by conventional methods and motion sensors. The key components we use here are ESP826612E node MCU, BC547 NPN transistor, and 3-pin infrared sensor module. Interested in making this DIY project? Refer to the URL below for the complete circuit diagram and detailed project overview. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.